Hi everybody. Today I have taken a problem regarding pin jointed plain truss. Here you can see that I am sketching it. So here it says let RP, RQ and RR denote the vertical reactions upward positive applied by the supports at P, Q and R respectively on the truss. So we can see it here. Already I put here PQR according to these questions. And here 30 kilonewton load is acting at these joints. So we have to find the correct combinations of, because we know there are three supports, so there will be three reactions, especially vertical reactions. So we have to find those reactions, vertical reactions. So here given four combinations, so we have to find which one is the correct one. So let's move in the next slide to investigate that which one is the correct one. So let's move. So from this truss, I have to take some free body diagram for the left of this truss, left part. So we'll cut a section like this, and I am taking left part in the down and the right part in the right hand side. So from these truss, first I will find what is the value for this fx1. So if you look at the truss, you see there are vertical reactions are shown here, because here hinge it takes vertical and horizontal reactions, vertical and horizontal forces. Roller, it can carry only the vertical forces. So there is only one here, horizontal forces. So if we go for summation of x equal to 0, surely only one force will appear here, and it is equal to 0. Now for this part, from this free body diagram, what we can find, say vertical force, summation of vertical force is equal to 0. So what are the vertical forces? This one and this one. So 30 kilonewton and FYRP, this one. So if we write these two equal to 0, then surely we get these reactions as 30 kilonewton. So at least we got one. Now we have remaining two to find it. Now I am taking summation of horizontal forces equal to 0 for this free body diagram. So what are the horizontal forces? This Fx1, Fx2 and Fx3. So I am putting these three horizontal forces equal to 0, and this is already 0, we know it here. So surely this Fx2 equal to Fx3. Now from the same free body diagram, we will take moment about this P. So let's see. So moment about P equal to 0. So what are the forces? We'll take moments about P. First of all, this is 30. So this force multiplied by 3, it will be like this. Then fx2, from here this line up to here it is also 3, so it will be fx2 multiplied by 3 minus of fx3, it is this line at a distance of 1 meter from P, so it will be multiplied by 1. Now simplifying these equations, we find fx2 equal to minus 45 kilonewton. I forgot to write that, so here it will be 45 minus 45 kilonewton. Okay, so this part, I mean this free body diagram, we already done 3 things here. Now we are going on this free body diagram. Summation of vertical forces equal to 0. What are the vertical force? This and this. So this plus this equal to 0. So this equal to minus of this. Next, we shall go for moment about R. So if we take moment about R, what are the forces? We'll be creating moments. So FYRQ multiplied by these 3 minus of fx2 multiplied by these 2. This one will not come because it is acting on the same line with same points. So from this we find FYRQ, I mean these reactions at Q, it is minus 30 kilonewton. Now we can find this very easily because already we have these relations. This force and these reactions have the relations. So already we know one, so others we can find very easily. It will be 30 because this is minus 30. So if we put here minus 30 minus minus plus, so it will be 30. So we got these positions at P. RP we got 30 kilonewton, RQ we got minus 30, and RR we got 30 kilonewton. So we are done in calculations. So we have to write the results. Here I have written the results. So the correct combination is 30 minus 30, 30. These combinations. And that's all for this truss.